Good morning guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you what we do when we get this cleaning error. So it says not enough space in waste ink bottle for cleaning, replace bottle. So that's telling us that our waste tank here is almost full up to that line. That's where we we're recommended we dump this. So right now it's not glamorous, but we dump it into this kitty litter box, and that absorbs it, and we'll throw this in the dumpster. Our large format machines also use this. So I have some gloves on here. We're going to take this bottle and we're gonna carefully take out the hose here, and I just leave it in there in case any residual comes off. And then we're gonna take our bottle here and just dump it right in. Sorry, hard to do this filming and doing it at the same time. Alright. So basically we're just making sure the machine has enough room in this bottle to do its cleanings. Alright. And then we're going to replace the hose back into the bottle. Carefully, not to drip any. And that's it. Thank you.